Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be installing a rear seat kit made by CLUBSPORT, and we bought some bucket seats off of Facebook Marketplace, so let's get into the video.
Hello viewers, if you're like me and love cars and cars going round in circles fast, then you've come to the right place. This is my 2013 Ford Fiesta ST2, and in each episode I'll be upgrading it to make it a fun daily that takes to the track.
Right guys, so welcome back. It's been a while, but in today's video we'll be installing a rear seat delete kit made by CLUBSPORT. Thanks to the guys for sending that out to me. And we're finally going to get rid of those really annoying backseat drivers with a nice little flush back and a cargo net to go with it. So I'm going to get all the ST stuff out and then we'll move on to the installation. First things first, we're going to remove the battery terminal to prevent any airbag lights from showing up. Remove the harness. What is it? A 10mm to remove that one, isn't it?
A little 7mm.
7mm, little one. LC delete O. How messy is it in there? Messy. What we got? This is a little fine.
Tape.
Oh, lovely.
Lean.
Oh, I was looking for that. Fucking me. So like an air check.
Fucking filthy.
That ain't bad. Well, I've seen women's handbags worse than that.
It's fucking just as bad as a woman's handbag.
Oh, don't be silly. See, I kept that for later. You never know when you run out.
Dirty socks. What I would like to do is strip all this out.
Yep.
Give it a good clean.
Yes. That's what we'll
once
do.
those seat bases are in,
Yeah.
you won't be able to move the seats forward and back.
Yeah, true.
So it'd be nice to just hoover it, clean it up, get the bases in. I reckon before we do any of that, get all the rear seats out as well.
Yeah, get it completely stripped.
Completely stripped.
Proper naked then.
Hoover it and start going again.
Alright, let's go to town. Right, that's the next one.
Shit on the back seat.
I didn't realise I got so much shit. Oh my days. Mouldy ass towel, gone. Little pillow, gone. Girlfriend's jumper. I've taken out the wheel well and I've taken out that little section that goes off. There's a few bolts here holding in that rear seat. I can't even get it there. And they're, are they T50s? T50s? Yeah. Yeah, T50 bolts. There's one here, one there, one in the back. You've got a few more in the front that's just holding in with the seat belts. And yeah, let's carry on and get that out. Rear seats out, completely naked now. Proper track's back, but we're going to be putting in a rear seat delete. Is it still messy for you, Chez?
Yeah, messy as fuck.
Oh, great. So here we have it. This is the rear seat delete kit that comes from CLUBSPORT. So it comes with the whole rear seat delete. It comes with the cargo net that has the pole as well, which fits onto the back. So yeah, you've got the base plate that goes here. You've got that part that obviously folds into where your, what would you call that bit? A little bit there. Bunch of screws, bunch of that to go in, but it should be an easy install once we work it all out. And by I mean this guy over here. You gonna work it out, boy?
We'll get there.
So luckily I've got those in, and that's obviously what attaches to the cargo net. What I did is I just got a normal screw, countersink, well not countersinked, but screwed them in first, took the screw out and just put that in, and just tools it out with my hands. And that's obviously quite sturdy. And so we have it. Obviously that's the rear seat delete kit installed. These little plugs are quite easy to install. They just kind of like loop up round. I believe they give you 4, which obviously means you can loop it round. I decided to fit my cargo net to the corners here because I like how it goes back like that. I don't know if there's any other ways to install it like that. The bar's in, nice and tight, and yeah, pretty good. Are you looking to track your car this season? If so, JC Club Sports are the perfect people to go to. They specifically focus on track-orientated items such as rear seat delete kits with or without the cargo net, as well as half cages and full cages, and much more. They do a wide variety of cars such as Minis, Audis, Volkswagens and Fords, and plenty more, with over 200 models and still growing. Right now they currently have a sale on their website, but using the discount code Alexbattenn with 2 N's can get you an additional 15% off your order. That's right, using at the checkout Alexbattenn with 2 N's will get you an additional 15% off your order. So don't miss out, grab yourself a bargain, and let's carry on with the rest of this video. So here they are, my new bucket seat. These are Cobra Spring GT seats, which I picked up on Facebook Marketplace for only 500 quid for a set. It's not a bad price, is it, Chezzy?
Not bad at all.
Yeah, do you want to have a little seat, test them out? Big little seat, yeah boy!
Snug.
Snug. It's quite like there, with the shoulders as well, isn't it?
Yeah, you're alright.
Like it hugs you down here in the bottom, and the concave is quite nice in it as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's alright.
It probably wouldn't be nice on daily drive though, but for what?
Better than mine, it's got a nice backing.
Oh really?
Yeah, my backing's like cardboard. It's like a little bit of fucking wood at the back.
But yeah, light seats, perfect for track. The only issue we're going to have is obviously this blind spot over here, but to be honest, it's going to be on track most of the time, not daily driven, so we're in. Also has access to a 5-point harness where it has one underneath as well, tucked in behind there, but for a seat, it's a bit nice. Compared to that one, that's going to hug me a lot more better on track. Look at them seats, boy! Snuggy, boy! Oh!
I'll give them a good clean as well.
Give it a little good clean.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know even that came out.
Yeah.
Okay, look at the state of that. Let's have a look. So, welcome back. This is now 2 days later from the previous bit that we filmed. We're currently having some troubles fitting the actual rails to this bucket seat. So we've decided to scrap that idea now, and we're just going to fit it straight onto the seat belt and then put it in. So then it's going to sit as it is, so the rails won't move forwards and back. She's a bit tight, but we're just cracking on now. Or Chez is. How's it going, boy?
Hi.
Tight as a nuns. Currently just doing a bit of test fitting. It's looking quite nice. It is very tight in here, that's for sure. Chez is just trying to get the other bolt on the inside of the bucket seat now. How's it going? She tight.
That front one there at the top.
Yeah, it's at the top, boy.
At the top.
Yeah, it's at the top.
Right. There should be another bolt down there somewhere.
Seat coming out again. It looks like you have to take center console out. Right, we're doing something we didn't want to do. So with the center console out, we can carry on. Oh my god, look at that, that's filthy. Oh dear. And hopefully we can get the seats in. And yeah. Oh well. Looks shit, but there we go. Look at that little whale penis. Right, bit of a difficult job, but we finally got one of the Cobra seats in. It's looking nice. Seating position is quite good. We've got the base put in, or Chesney has. You happy about this, boy?
Getting an hour in it?
Yeah, getting it now, boy. There we go. It's all in place. Center console had to come out, but obviously there was no way ever this would fit. Let me get the light on this quick. There was no way that this seat would have ever fit with a center console, even if it wanted to. Would it, Chez?
No way.
Now just look at that. Look how big it is. I might have done, but really, I ain't gonna bother to put it back in, and I don't think Chez will. You're not gonna put him back in, are you?
No, it'd be nice to. It'd be nice just to build like a nice fascia now, like an alley one, plate one.
Yeah. Right, let's stop talking, let's get into it. Right, I'm just about to run out of battery, but here we go. Nice. Yeah, still, I've got to put my foot in there. I think, yeah. Oh, how do we get out? You take a seat and see what you think.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, literally. You look fucking gangster in that.
You can't.
Fuck off.
Oh,
You look gangster as fuck.
you can't see.
What?
Just shut that door.
Yeah. How's that blind spot, boy? Let's have a look. What are you gonna do? Hello, hello. Oncoming car, here I come. Hello. So after a long-winded battle, we finally managed to get the seats in. It was a bit of a task at hand, considering these seats are quite big. I shouldn't have bought seats this really that big for a car this size, but obviously it is what it is. I'm going to quickly just go around the bases of the car, showing you off the rear seat delete kit and the seats, and then yeah. So here we have it. Seats are in, back seats are gone, and the rear seat delete is installed. There was some bits I forgot to go over in the video, is we've had these caps which obviously screw into those slats to keep this all in one piece, which I think is really nice. It was a thoughtful touch from the guys at CLUBSPORT. It fits really perfect. You can see there's like no panel gaps, all the way down the side. It's perfect. It's just snug. It's a really good kit for the price. Good money for value, I'd say. Apologies about the mess. Obviously my girlfriend's been in there, but you can see here on the front, that's just nice. Sits in lovely. They've really done a good cut on this. Like, just from standing back here, it looks like it was part of the car when you bought it from the factory. Really nice. The OEM carpet look. And one thing that I like that they thoughtful of what they put in here is if you're not going to be running a bucket seat, they've left it so you can actually get your seatbelt back there as well, which I thought was a nice touch, because the rail goes all the way back there and it allows you to put that there, so it's nice. As you can see, the seats are in. They look absolutely gangster as anything. At the moment I'm not running the harness because obviously I need to get a half cage or a K-brace to obviously install it on. For the minute I'm going to use the seat belts just to get me by for the minute, but geez, don't they look good? Massive, absolutely ginormous, and they're only about really that far from the window. So size matters, eh? We installed that part back of the gear shifter, which looks nice, but obviously maybe in the future I will attempt to do something with this, but for the minute it'll do. But yeah, these seats are banging, absolutely banging. Right, thanks for watching guys. Hopefully that was a nice install for you guys to watch. Obviously if you're looking to buy yourself a kit, make sure you go for the first line in description using code Alexbattenn to get yourself 15% off. Yeah,